Well, hi, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. It's been a little stormy to start things off this morning. Now, Futurecast is not quite accurate with where these storms are. The brunt of it is now passing to the south of the Tri-Cities, kind of clipped Kearney and the Holdridge area. Grand Island Hastings did get missed by it, but there still is kind of almost anywhere a small chance of rain and thunderstorms throughout the day today into the early evening hours. Your best chance is going to be in the southern half of Nebraska and northern Kansas. So, again, almost anybody has a chance. Not a major severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center does not even have any kind of a risk out for the area. That said, I would not rule out an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm out there through the day or the early evening hours. Later in the night, though, mostly clear skies, pretty quiet through the overnight hours. As we get into tomorrow, most of the day will be fairly quiet, quite warm with lots of sunshine, but by the end of the day, a weak disturbance could bring in a small chance of rain and thunderstorms along and south of Highway 6 in southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. It's not a very good chance out there, but it is a chance I'll at least mention from about Hastings. Lincoln to Hastings to McCook southward is that chance. As for temperatures today, quite warm, a little bit above average, upper 80s to near 90 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Small chance of a thunderstorm, places like Albion, Ord, Broken Bow southward, not so much up towards O'Neill and Ainsworth. The rest of us, again, a slight chance of thunderstorms for today, upper 80s to right around 90 out west, looking at mid to upper 80s to right around 90, really mid to upper 80s across the south, and out towards the east, we're looking at temperatures mid to upper 80s and even lower 90s there in the Lincoln area with a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. Got a yawn coming on here. Whew. Well, next couple of days here, again, these chances of rain aren't overly promising. Again, I throw in that small chance south of Highway 6 for late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Tomorrow may be our warmest day, though, with a high around 90 degrees. We cool it back just a little bit for Friday into the mid-80s. And mostly mid-80s the rest of our forecast. Lots of sun through the weekend, a few extra clouds then for Monday and Tuesday. And next chance of rain will be a small chance there later on Tuesday into Tuesday evening. And lows throughout this forecast mostly remaining pretty steady in the low to mid-60s. And of course, Saturday, Sunday, it says there meteor shower. What's happening? Well, it's the Perseid meteor shower will be going on, and it's already going on. In fact, here it's been going on since late July. And basically, this is an annual event as the Earth passes through an area of meteors. And every year, this time of the year in August, you get that peak that happens around the 11th and the 12th of August, and that's when the peak will be a Saturday night and Sunday night. And for both time frames, the visibility is looking quite good with mostly clear skies. The best chance of that visibility will be after midnight both nights, and you'll want to look towards the north-northeast, towards the constellation Perseus, and you'll get that best view, possibly up to 60 to 70 meteors per hour. Now, also something to keep in mind is that, if you're in the cities, Tri-Cities area, Lincoln, a little tougher to see. If you get out in the rural areas away from the city lights, you're going to get a bit better view of those meteors. And this is one of my favorite ones of the year, mostly because the weather's a little bit warmer. We're looking at temperatures that'll be in the 60s, and the skies look to be mostly clear around here through the weekend, so I don't expect much of a problem when it comes to visibility out there for Saturday night or Sunday night. So again, after midnight, look to the north. You'll get a chance to see some of those meteors flying through the sky. So there you go. Well, this is my last chance to talk to you guys until next week. I am off both tomorrow and on Friday. Kit will be filling in for me to end the week, so I have a wedding to attend. Otherwise, I'll be back with you folks next Monday, which looks like the weather should be pretty good early next week. We'll see if there will be some rain chances returning to the forecast next week. But until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great rest of the week and weekend, and I'll talk to you again early on Monday morning. God bless.